The process to onboard a new franchisee, once we found that he is qualified to our system, we start all the training process. On that training, we include all the items and the topics that needs to become a successful franchisee. We have a call center that works 24/7, answering phone calls, screening the potential customers. Then we have here a support team that provides basics on sales, accounting, and how to do the HR. Basically, we put together an operation manual, and with that, he can run the business easily. I know that this concept will be successful. It's going to be a great venture with the people that working with me. Our team over here with the Green Rodent Recession franchise are really excited and looking forward for the future, and we can see in the nearest future that we are going to grow into a lot of locations all over United States.